Scott, Elmioji Drones. Today we're going to unbox and install a Bwine FAA compliant remote ID broadcast module. Let's get started. Hey, so if you've been watching the channel, you know that I'm taking the drone course with SDI. And currently I'm in UAS 213, the design, build, and fly course. I would give it another name. I would call it the design, build, fly, and go to jail course, because they do not provide or even advise students that the drone requires the remote ID broadcasting unit to be placed on it. I went out and bought the Bwine remote ID broadcast module. It's FAA compliant, and so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. What we have here is the module itself. It's pretty small. We have also some mounting tape and a mounting strap and a charging cable. Small zip ties, all mounting hardware, and then we also have the user manual. And the module that I got is the Bwine B211S. The S is sound. I don't know if you can see, but it has these little holes here for speakers, and you can activate the beeping sound in case of a crash and you can't find your drone. This would be a way to help you locate it. So we're going to go ahead and install this on the drone. I am going to go with the Velcro option. So I'm going to place the Velcro on the bottom of the module itself, and then I'm going to also place the other side onto the drone. And this drone weighs 3 pounds. So, you know, according to FAA regulations, it must have a remote, it must be able to transmit remote ID to be in compliance. And that's what we've done here. I'm going to go ahead and mount this. You take it, it has its own ID number. You go into the FAA's Drone Zone website and register it under your account. And once you do that, you bind this remote ID module to your ID number with the FAA. So register it online, then you bind your information to this module, and you're good to go. It's simple. This cost me on sale at Amazon, I believe it was $18. Not a bad price. I recommend, if you're taking the SDI design, build, and fly course, that you get this and install it to be in compliance with FAA remote ID broadcast requirements. So that's all I have. And the next video I'm going to do is going to be with regards to validation flight for the drone here. And hopefully all goes well. We'll see, and look forward to next time. Thanks for watching.